Hyaluronic acid is one particular ingredient that is really popular when it comes to skincare. And the reason is because it has loads of proven benefits when applied on the skin. Okay, which I'll be mentioning in this video briefly. But hyaluronic acid also can do more harm than good on your skin when you use it the wrong way, and this is what this video is about. So I'll be mentioning few mistakes that a lot of people are making when using hyaluronic acid on their skin. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chike Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician and I teach skincare in this channel. Okay, I teach you how you can achieve glowing skin by telling you what product to buy. So I give a lot of product reviews. I talk about, basically skin issues, and once in a while I do a little bit of natural skincare formulation as well, so the DIY stuff. Okay, so if you like what you're watching and you haven't subscribed, if this is your first time visiting, you're highly welcome. It's good to have you. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing will keep you up to date on what is happening on my channel, and we also help to grow this channel. Okay, and for my regular viewers that comes once in a while to support my channel, I am so grateful. Thank you. Now let's get to the video. What are the benefits of hyaluronic acid? The first benefit that hyaluronic acid gives to your skin when you apply it is hydration. So think of hyaluronic acid as a big drink of water on your skin. Yeah, that is exactly what it does to your skin when you apply hyaluronic acid to your skin. So it gives that hydration that your skin lacks. And one thing I love about it is for all skin types. Okay, all skin types can use hyaluronic acid. So when you apply hyaluronic acid to your skin, it gives you this very good hydration. Okay, so it helps to bind water. It more like penetrates to your skin and helps to bind water to the skin cells. Okay, and by doing that, gives you that rejuvenation that your skin is looking for. So it's good for rejuvenating your skin. It's good for hydrating your skin. It's good for plumbing your skin, helping your skin to more like look lively. Yeah, let me put it that way. Look lively, look alive. That's one of the benefits that it does to your skin. Now, the second benefit that hyaluronic acid has on your skin is it acts as a humectant. Okay, so think of humectant as a sponge. So when you when your sponge is wet, even after a few days, when you still press it, you could still see water that coming out. You could still see that it's wet. So sponge draws in and holds the whatever thing water that you put on it. So this is what hyaluronic acid does. So when you apply it, it binds and it holds, it locks in the moisture on your skin. Okay, so and it helps your skincare product then to last longer. So because it helps to bind and lock in moisture on your skin will now feel very hydrated. So then the hydration also will last very long. Okay. So the third benefit is it acts as a lipid barrier. So when any skincare product acts as a lipid barrier to your skin, meaning it helps protect your skin from any UV damage, it helps protect your skin from any environmental like pollution, and also for someone with acne prone skin, it helps your skin to more like stop producing acne causing bacteria. Okay, the hyaluronic acid also rejuvenates your skin and then fights premature aging signs, the likes of fine lines and wrinkles, and then it helps people with acne prone skin as well, because acne prone skin, in as much as a lot of acne prone skin is mainly oily skin, when your skin is very hydrated, it will reduce the sebaceous gland, the cell that produces sebum, to stop more like inhibit it from producing too much oil. So these are the benefits. There are other benefits that hyaluronic acid does to your skin, which I will not mention too much in this video, because this video particularly is about the mistakes that a lot of people make when using hyaluronic acid that may cause more harm than good to their skin. The first mistake is applying hyaluronic acid on a dry face. Okay, apply hyaluronic acid on a dry face. Do not apply hyaluronic acid on a dry face. And the reason is because hyaluronic acid works much better on damp skin. Okay, and any other skincare product when applied on a damp skin as well work much better, but particularly hyaluronic acid. The reason is because remember the benefits that I mentioned, because it helps to lock in moisture, because it helps with hydration. When you apply it on a dry face, all those benefits that you're going to get when applied on a damp face, you will not be getting it. Okay, you will not be getting it, and the reason is because instead of a hyaluronic acid to then do all these things on your skin, but because you apply it on a dry face, it's going to may actually dry your face a little bit more than your face should be. So it will cause your skin to dry out more when you apply it on a dry skin. So watch this video here to show you the correct way to apply your hyaluronic acid. Okay, as you can see, the step by step that you need to go before you now put your hyaluronic acid. So you have to put your moisturizer. After applying your hyaluronic acid, you put your moisturizer on top. Okay, because you want your moisturizer to help bind the hyaluronic acid serum that you put on your face, so that it will last longer, because hyaluronic acid is a humectant, so it draws moisture from air. Okay, and you want something that you put on top to help that moisture, to lock in that moisture much better, and it is your moisturizer that is going to help your hyaluronic acid to do that. If you don't do that, it's going to end up drying your skin more. Okay, so this video here will help to show you how to apply your hyaluronic acid the right way, so you don't make mistakes and causing more harm than good to your skin. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you need me to talk about any other topic, because this is a requested topic actually, if you need me to talk about any other topic, I will gladly do that. Okay, because this channel is about teaching you how to achieve glowing skin. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.